Hi, to insert SIM card in your Samsung Galaxy A34, you would need to take this little ejector first and find a SIM slot which is located on the top of the phone. Here you can see this little hole in which we need to insert this ejector, which goes in a complect with the device, by the way. And now this slot slightly opens, so we just need to pull it out using our nails like that. So here you can see the bigger slot, which is for an SD card, but we are interested in the smaller one. Now take your SIM card and place it in the right position here so it will fit perfectly, and click a bit and won't fall out. After that, just insert it back in the phone, close the slot, and now unlock it, and you need to enter your SIM card PIN code if you have one. And then after a few seconds, you will see the signal bars on the top of the screen, which indicates that everything is working correctly. You can also go in the settings and here in the connections, check whether you can see your SIM card or not. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.